We're in the Mount Hopper. We are doing race tomorrow. That's crazy. We are in Kamloops, about 4.5 hours driving from Vancouver. As I said, we are joining Enduro Race here. There are 6 stages and the total distance will be 36.5k and the total elevation will be 1917 meters. I will quickly show you how the stages are gonna be. The first stage is probably the hardest of all stages. In the beginning of the first stage, there are 6 tricky features. Right after you enter stage 1, I call this feature supposed to go right because you are supposed to take the right path. However, I met a lot of people got flat in this section. And this is the second feature. It's not the drop. From far distance, it looks like a drop, but actually it's not the drop. Here comes the third feature. It's getting more intense.
So it's easy and harder?
It's not worth it. Just because you crash here, it takes more time. So if you're not confident, it's not worth taking this time. This is go for it. The landing looks rough, but just go for it. You will be fine. But
Oh, nice.
that might be the best line. And the fifth feature is also right after the fourth. This is the middle. There are 3 lines you can choose from. The left line is the steepest and the fastest, but there is a tight corner after. The right lane is the easiest, but it looks rough. And this is the last tricky feature on fast stage. Also comes not far from the fifth. Should be okay. There is a ride around, but should be okay. Stage 2 is short, but little bit pedaling. Stage 3 has a lot of tight corners.
Tight corner of camber.
The part of stage 1 and stage 4 are closed for the practice. We are hoping there are not many difficult features. Well, that was a bad guess. Stage 5 is really short and fun. And this is the last stage, slalom. Tomorrow is the day we all race.
You have extra batteries?
Yes. I made sandwich. Should I bring it? The peanuts, butter, and jam.
Yeah. They're gonna have lots of food in the course for you.
Yeah, but I will get hungry.
Yeah. It's kind of big. These big bars or something.
You can just press it. See?
What? That's a weird thing you just did.
Why?
Nobody wants to eat crushed sandwich.
Why not?
I got the 2 liters of water.
And I made 2 sandwiches. And by putting only 1, candies, bars, more bars, and more bars because I don't want to get hungry.
Eric was still in the bed because females start 1 hour earlier than men.
Okay, let's go.
After 1 hour of pedal and push my bike up, we arrived at the stage 1.
It's gonna be fun. You gotta laugh. You can do it, yo.
Hi. I'm going. Thanks.
My race has begun. Here comes supposed to go right.
Take a left line.
Did he just say to take the left? I went right in the middle. That might be the better line because a lot of people got flat like those guys, including my friend, Amelie.
So let's.
Here comes, it's not the drop. Nicely done. Here comes not worth it. It's not worth taking it, so I'm gonna take right around. And go forward.
Oi!
And this is the middle. trail condition was worse than yesterday. It's really beat it up. And here comes Should Be Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
But it was not okay.
I crashed.
Crash run. Now I lost bunch of time. Should I take it easy now and try not to crash? Hell no!
It's much junkier than yesterday.
Why am I racing? Because I wanted to get on the podium and get some free stuff. That's why I pedal as much as I could, and I forgot what is waiting for me. A tight corner. And pedal again. This bottom of the stage one was closed yesterday, so I have no idea how the trail is gonna be. It's quite loamy. Stage 1 is about 3.5k long and more than 450 meters of descent. It took 10 minutes 44 seconds to finish the stage for me. By the end of the stage, I was so happy to see the goal.
Oi. Whee, how was that?
Good. Hey, crash.
Me too.
Yeah, I know. And like those corners are impossible not to crash on.
Yeah, even if you want to go faster, it's really bad.
Oh yeah, you hurt yourself.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. It was good.
We pedaled up about 4.1 kilometers and we arrived at the stage 2. Now, men's are catching up with us.
Alright, go for it.
Okay,
Have fun.
thank you.
Stage 2 has not much, but pedally. Oops, there was some drops.
Shit, I forgot about it. Oh my god. Oh shit, I'm so slow. Oh, what's this one? Oh. Oh shit. So close. Thanks. Okay. Stage 3. Oi. So loose. I love watermelon.
After 8.7 kilometers of ascent, finally we arrived at stage 4, the longest stage of all. Those guys are the sweepers, so we are the last people to start the stage 4.
Okay.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, really good. Good day?
Yeah, so far so good. One crash.
Oh, hey, not bad.
Yeah. The longest section?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Get past the chute, you're good. When you're ready,
Alright.
have a good ride.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So I didn't play right on the top of the stage 4. Apparently, there are 2 tricky features on top of the stage. The first one will be steep loose section, and there are 3 lines. My friend Omari suggested taking the left, so as Eric. The other one is a long straight loose chute. Here is the first loose section. I need to take the left. Go left. Left. Left, left.
Okay.
And I crashed. And also they're supposed to be long, straight, steep chute. Here it is. Looks so loose. And crashed again. This is disaster already, and still long way to go. Do you think I can still make it up? Yes, I believe everyone crashed there, and still I have a time to make it up.
Good. Two crashes.
Yeah.
On the top, yeah.
Did you go? Which way did you go on the option at the top?
Left
I went left too.
and crashed.
I crashed too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And after that, there's other loose deep section.
Yeah.
I crashed there too.
Oh really?
Sucks.
Yeah, that was crazy.
It's not done yet. One last long ascent. We arrived at the stage 5.
Okay, let's go. Can I go too? Yeah.
My first time BC Enduro Series. It was really long uphill, and the taste of Kamloops sand. I ate it 3 times. I haven't crashed for a long time, but if you want to get out of your comfortable zone, I guess a little scratch is a fair trade. Oh, fuck.
Grand finale.
I like just riding a bike with friends. Now I know that challenging with my friends is more rewarded. Who cares if we couldn't stand at the podium?
Food and beer.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, I dropped 3 poutines.
Right now, I just wanna eat poutine and drink beer and Coke. That's what I needed.
I mean, like a will, but like.
Please like and subscribe.
Okay. Is that you? Sour cream, bacon bits, chives?
And give me food, please.
Just bacon. No bacon.
I love bacon, madam.